Refrigerant R-134a. This refrigerant is an environmentally friendly gas and is used as a replacement for refrigerant R-12. Its chemical name is tetrafluoroethane, and its chemical formula is CF3CH2F. The color of this refrigerant cylinder is light sky blue. It is non-toxic, non-flammable, and odorless. Therefore, it is considered safe for use in air conditioning and refrigeration systems. At normal atmospheric pressure, 14.7 psi, this refrigerant exists in gaseous form. The boiling point of refrigerant R-134a is minus 26.1 degrees Celsius, minus 14.9 degrees Fahrenheit. At a pressure of 295.8 kilopascals, 42.9 pounds per square inch absolute, the temperature is minus 15 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The latent heat of refrigerant R-134a is 207.8 kilojoules per kilogram, 83.3 British thermal units per pound. At a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, the discharge pressure is 1,192 kilopascals, 172.9 pounds per square inch absolute. The ozone depletion rate of this refrigerant is 0, which makes it environmentally safe. Its properties are very close to refrigerant R-12, which is why it is commonly used as a replacement for R-12. Refrigerant R-134a is widely used in domestic refrigerators, water coolers, commercial refrigeration systems, air conditioners, and vehicle air conditioning systems. So friends, this was complete information about refrigerant R-134a. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more HVAC learning videos. Thank you for watching.